Like this incredible night shot. You can see this. This is in the Italy in the evening, the 8 p.m. You can see that all the colors vividly. The mountain, the Albus mountain. And you can see that that's an area, most of the color lost. You can see the difference. And this is more incredible night shot. You can see that this is Albus mountain. The others only can see some white dot. Now people ask me, where is iPhone 10? I can tell you iPhone 10 can see nothing, can take nothing. The other only can have a white dot. But we can see that more than even your eyes cannot see that. Your eye cannot see that, but you can see the sky and the tree and the mountain. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. It's really incredible.